today is my first time to going to school. That's fine. Let's go to school. Da, 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 da. La 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 la. Wow, this is my beautiful pencil with a station. Oh, oh no, what is that? Help me. Help me. Oh no, Cathy, are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. You will come with me. I will pick you. Then here you go. Now let's go home. Yay. No, are you okay, little cat? Yes, I'm okay, but what did I do? It's okay, I will help you. Come with my home. Can you want some food? Yes, give me. Wait. Oh no, you are coming to my head. Sit here, okay? Mom. Oh, hi, cutie, see. Okay, then I will sit. Oh.